We talked about DEXRP recently, DeXRP as I like to call it, which is the next gen DEX on the XRP ledger. There are lots of things being built for any of the other chains out there. We have tons of things on Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, ETH, so on and so forth, but not a lot when it comes to XRP. Despite that, Bitcoin is doing pretty well, reaching 113K every now and then, getting rejected, but breakout is happening soon. ETH still at over 4.3K. Things in here are worth hundreds of billions of dollars. What is there being built for XRP? Not a lot. So if we were to take the concept of something that is community focused, helps you to trade fast, pay less, and stay decentralized on XRP, with staking being live and still being in its pre-sale, this might be something for you. I have links to everything down below. We also covered this a couple times before, so if you want to watch any of the other videos, check them out. They also recently, just like a day ago, depending on when you see it, passed $6 million raised in their ICO. I think over 80%, maybe at this point over 90% of all the tokens that will be sold in their presale are gone already. They have also been featured on Cointelegraph, BitChat, as well as Forbes. The entire Forbes article is over here. We will focus on that in a second too. And if we check the updated numbers, right now we sit at almost 6.1 million with almost 9,000 people invested and a price of over 12.3 cents. I think last video was 11.3 cents per token, and before that it was like 9 cents a token, so that price goes up fairly quickly. You can also see that the pre-sale is live and the next price increase is going to happen in 6 hours. The launching price is going to be 35 cents, so the launching price is going to be 35 cents per token, which means we still have a 3x on the current price until launch. But the earlier you join, the more you can potentially make. They combine blazing fast transactions, ultra low fees, and deep liquidity to deliver an institutional grade trading experience for everyone, from crypto newcomers to pro traders. And when they did get featured on Forbes, and we talked about that last time, let's dive more into the article that they did, as well as the one on the BitChat wallet section over here. It's a next generation hybrid DEX on the XRP ledger, which combines AMM liquidity pools with a professional order book model, aiming to bring institutional grade trading to XRPL DeFi, with over 5 million raised at this stage, over 6 million, and showing us price predictions down here on the short-term, medium-term, and long-term holds that we can get, which means based on pre-sale momentum, initial DEX offerings, listings, adoption of the hybrid DEX model, and their DeFi growth overall, their range is between 25 cents and $1.50, which would make it a 12x from now, or at least a 2x, which we like to hear. XRP itself is worth 175 billion at the moment. At its very peak, we get to a bit over 200 billion over here. And if it goes to the same valuation as Uniswap, which we mainly use for ETH and EVM based chains, which at one point peaked at 21 billion, then XRP is not just going to be worth about as much as ETH, so what a 3x from here itself for XRP, so we're gonna hit $10, but also things that are being built for it have the first mover advantage and probably a solid like $8 to $15, if not more per token, if they pull it off. Becca also talks about how ETH is going to go to 10K. If that happens, XRP is going to go to $10 as well. And more people start realizing that eventually there is going to be a supply shock happening for crypto, because most of Bitcoin is being bought up by big institutions and private equities, investors, so on and so forth. Meaning, instead of buying this from an exchange, which reflects in the price, they buy it off of somebody else. Because if I give you, let's say, $111,500 for the current price of 1 Bitcoin, and you simply send it to me and I send you USDT, then there's no transaction that reflects the price on the blockchain. We pay like 2 cents in gas fees, but this price doesn't change. So if they buy up like 20% of the entire supply without changing the price, and then eventually people want to buy it, then it's not just the supply drying up a lot quicker, but also the price going up exponentially. An exponential price gain can always happen when it comes to pre-sales. ETH-based platforms like Uniswap introduce powerful innovations, but high fees, slow confirmations, and fragmented liquidity still dominate the user experience, and it can cost more than $30. I think at the peak of last bull run, a transaction on Uniswap on ETH cost between $200 and $400. So I'm glad that we fixed that. Also, a week ago, the staking pool went live, which means once you purchase the token and you head over to staking over here, you get an estimate of 14.5% APR on your tokens just for holding them, which means if you are a pre-sale token holder, so pretty much you buy the token, you can lock those tokens in the staking contract before the token generative event, which means you get additional yield distributed out of the TGE along with vested tokens. For the future, they are going to other stages as well, with more pools and flexible terms, additional utilities within the DEX itself, community-driven governance, and also partnerships that expand these staking opportunities. Plus, what also happened recently is that the SEC and Ripple end their appeals and the lawsuit that happened behind it, which means it's not a security. They closed the legal dispute, so XRP can go up even more. It should probably go to at least like $10 this run, if not 20. I would think so. They also already partnered and have a couple ongoing partnerships with C-Wallet, Micro3, WOW, and a couple others and more to be announced. And at a stage right now where more and more people look into pre-sales as they have the highest chance and return on investment that you can get, with I think almost all the videos I covered in the last 2 months alone were mostly pre-sales, as those seem to be more and more popular now. It's a pretty good time. And with the president being crypto friendly, where I think Trump mentioned the billions of dollars that get invested into crypto, and I think his son Barron, he runs the World Liberty Fund as well. There are lots and lots of things that get invested on by the government, by people in crypto, by people that want to join. And if you want to join as well, let me show you how. Top right corner, you connect your wallet. You can use any of the ones shown over here. In my case, MetaMask. You can also use Solana. Hit connect. And you will then have the option in the join pre-sale section over here, for which I also have a link down below, to select a token and a chain. Let's say you have USDT on ETH, you would put in $50, that would give you 435 tokens. And depending on how much you invest, there's also an additional bonus. For example, if you do 150, there's a 3% bonus. If you put 250, there's a 7% bonus, but that seems to be maxed out at 2.5K in total already. Now you can also add my referral code in case that doesn't show up immediately. Link for that is down below. There are also direct purchase addresses down there we can simply send money to, which also works. And then you will see that there's a leaderboard as well. And depending on how many tokens you buy, there's an estimated bonus that you get for that as well. Which means if you feel like putting in over $73,000, you could get the second place and get 60K in bonuses alone, which is not bad. Now again, for the current price, it's about 1/3 of the listing price, which means if you put in $100, that's worth a bit over 300 at launch. Tokenomics we covered in the last video. Here is an overview real quick. Most of the public sale is already sold out. So about 25% of tokens are for the public sale, like 80 something plus percent are already sold. Roadmap is looking solid with lots of things planned for the future. And if you want to read about that in more detail, links to everything in the Forbes article and so on and so forth down below. If you got any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.